Ike, is everything alright? Why is your face like this?
Papa, Belinda almost killed me 2 days ago. And almost killed Ego last night. If not for the intervention of the police, Ego would have been a dead person by now.
Yeah. Belinda almost killed Ego. How is that possible?
It's still very surprising to me.
Belinda anyway cannot hurt a fly. In that case, call her for
Papa, she will not answer.
Huh? Okay, I will call her myself.
Papa, don't even bother yourself because she will not answer you. Belinda will just insult you the way she insulted Mama. Do you know that she said that this family is a useless family and cursed?
Belinda said that.
But she said worse thing than that. Do you know that Belinda said that Ma is a witch?
Belinda, what is this I'm hearing? The news is everywhere that you fought your husband and almost stabbed him to death with a knife.
Joma, do you believe I can do something like that? That is why I'm here, to hear from the horse's mouth. Did you do it? Do you believe I can do it? No, I don't. So tell me, how did it happen?
I don't want to talk about it.
Mama Nata!
Yes.
Oh yo yo! Mama Nata! Oh yo yo!
It is done.
It is done.
Yes, Mama.
That is it.
Big brother!
You have taken her back? Huh?
Yes.
Good.
She is in her father's house
Able to
right
see now.
now.
Good. That is where she ought to be.
Oh.
She doesn't belong here.
At all.
You got to go.
Master.
That is a good one. Manana,
Eh?
you said you were going to tell us something.
Mama,
I should watch auntie.
Clean
Watch
your
her,
ears,
watch
open
her,
your
watch
ears.
her. It has
Watch
been
again.
watch her, yes.
I will be going to America.
America?
Yes.
How? When? On to what occasion?
I met a beautiful lady.
Beautiful lady.
Who is going to take me to America with her very soon.
He met a beautiful lady.
Very beautiful.
Who is going to take him to America?
A
very
river
soon.
goddess.
A river goddess.
Wait. Is she a white woman?
No, she's a nurse.
A nurse.
She got a job in America.
Hey! Monsieur Oku.
Mama,
Yes?
very soon.
Yes.
Nsuba wana gonna. Only Anna working now one don't jump to Nike.
He can do it.
You meet to be Konyocha.
And your father will not let me do that. Hey!
I'm busy, brother. Mama.
Yes?
Very soon.
Yeah?
Now, Susan, I wanna go now.
All of us.
Please take me to Alabama.
Oh, well, all right,
Very
on,
soon.
brother. Yes? So this young woman, when are we going to meet her?
Oh, I am going to invite her to come see you. So, Mama, chill.
I
Chill.
chill.
Just chill.
I chill.
No,
You know?
brother,
Yeah.
we don't need soon. We want her now, like now. Let her start coming.
Don't
Yeah.
worry, don't worry. And very soon.
Very soon.
So, please,
Yeah?
can I get to you? Have something to eat?
Something to eat.
Yes.
You want something to
I want something.
eat.
Big brother.
Get something to eat.
Can you
Well,
no, not that, not like that.
Okay.
Can you open it up for me, please?
Open the door for your brother.
Right away.
Okay, you
Right
take
away.
the moves. Take the move.
Right away.
American moves. That's it.
American
That's
brother.
it. That's it.
American
That's it. Ngwa,
Can
ne.
you see that, mama?
After you, give us the American one.
Big mama.
Go on.
Mama.
Oh yeah.
Look at me.
Go on. It's there. It's there.
Like this.
So here I come. Here I come. All right. I move. I do it like this. I do it like that. I do it together. Then I take it.
I have been calling your number since and you're not picking your call.
Yeah, I was driving.
I can see. What about your wife, Belinda?
In her father's house.
Why?
Because I don't want to die before my time.
Okay, can we sit down and talk?
I am going to the shop now.
Look, Ike, I know your sales girls are there selling your goods. Okay? We must talk today.
Can we?
All right.
To be one, we swore to death do us apart. A creature up in Munyagi. Each other love, well, love, Munyagi. Each other time, and your prolonged time. Can you come and look at my husband? I am bent, follow by the secret table. I gave you my time.
Nemo, why have you refused to tell your father how all this started? I know you very well. I raised you very well. And I know that you cannot just wake up one day and become cantankerous.
I'm sorry, Papa. I don't want to talk about it now.
It's alright. Let me go and see his father to find out from him if his son told him anything.
Belinda, are you still like this? Hey, please, you have to take it easy. Pick on. I brought some fruits for you. Okay. Maybe we should go to my house and watch some movie. At least you clear off your head.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Ike, why did you lie to me about your wife? How could you be so wicked to an innocent woman that decided to sacrifice her life for you so fiercely?
Oh, wait. She has come to lie to you about me.
You had a court wedding behind Belinda, Ike.
Come on, let's have some drink.
I'm not here to drink! How can you do this? Fool all of us. Ike, you are heartless. You're wicked. Yes, you are evil. From today onwards, I cut off everything that binds us as friends. Nonsense.
Get me some drink. Nadia.
And that is it. China taking over the whole place. in this continent. Even villages, they are there.
My in-law.
Ah, no, my in-law. Ah! Oh, don't walk. Sit down, sit down. Ah, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Let me bring cola.
No, sit down, sit down.
Huh?
No, sit down. Let cola not hold for another day. There's something very important. Your son, my in-law, Dikeh, brought his wife and then my daughter back home this morning, denouncing the marriage tie between the two of them, right in my presence.
Hey, what are you saying? Dikeh brought Belinda home?
Yes, he did. And when I tried to find out the problem between the two of them, Dikeh insulted me. He told me to shut up. That is why I come to you.
Hey. Dikeh was here this morning. Huh? But he never told me he has sent his wife packing.
Why are children of these days very stupid? Eh? My in-law, I'm very sorry for that. I will call him on phone to come here and explain. Huh?
It's alright. Let me be on my way.
Alright. Hey, where did Dikeh learn this kind of behavior from? His mother is even in his house, but she never cared to call me on phone and tell me what is happening. No.
Hello, Papa.
Dikeh, why didn't you tell me you sent your wife packing?
Papa, please, I am not in the mood to talk now. Biko. Papa, I am not just in the mood, please.
Huh? Hello?
Hey, babe.
How are you? You don't look alright. What is the problem?
Same story.
Not again. I am tired of hearing the same story every day. Baby, I need good news. Yes, our son needs a good life. I need to be treated like a good wife. I need comfort. You know what, babe? If you are not ready to travel to America with me, I could tell my brother to sell my father's land and I will use the money and travel.
Babe, you calm down. Calm down, okay? I have a plan.
Which is?
If they're not going to release my goods by next week, then I will sell my car. Then I'll sell my shops. We use the money and travel. We are going to America. Okay?
Get me something to drink.
Okay. Bar girl, please get something fruit juice.
Juice? For who? Biko, get me 3 bottles of stout.
One?
Ato. And hurry up. No, that's the mood. Hurry up. me serve it. Baby, can you open my drink? Please.
Ambo.
Mother Gamuzi, open it. Babe, you need to hurry up, bro. Be fast about it. Up America can you walk here? You don't have to miss this opportunity. So, you get more sense of the money.
3 bottles still too much.
Okay, and also because that's the mood now.
It's very sweet. Mama, it's Papa that is calling you.
Okay. I didn't see him. I know why he's calling me. I'm not going to answer.
Why is he calling you?
I'm sure it's because of Belinda. She must be in the house now crying.
But Mama, how sure are you? What if Papa is calling you for something else? See, I'm going to pick it.
Come on, you. Don't tell him I'm here.
Hello? Papa, good afternoon.
Ego, where is your mother? That she went to hospital?
Yes.
No, I know she's there with you.
No.
Tell her to call me. You hear me? And when your brother returns from the shop, tell him to call me. Did you hear me? Okay. All right. Hey,
You are coming from his father's house. Yes. And he said that his son did not tell him anything.
Yes. The idiot did not even tell his father that he returned his wife.
Let me tell you what I always tell people. Do not make yourself less important. If that young man refuses to tell you what our daughter did to him, do not go to that house again to ask further questions. You deserve some respect of explanation from them, even without your asking. Our daughter Belinda is not a wayward child. And we may be afraid of whether she committed adultery or not.
I know that.
So I will come to the house later, and she may tell us what transpired between them. Who are they, Steph?
Thank you very much.
Look at the daughter we gave to them, and look at the misbehavior. Who is that idiot? That young man is very stupid. Don't worry, we will get to the bottom of this.
Thank you very much. It is annoying.
Let me get you cola. You started discussing what you're supposed to do. Let me get you cola.
No, don't worry. When you are coming to my place, you can come with me.
Okay, come on, we have to go now.
I'll say we.
We have to go. I need to go to the shop.
You can go to the shop now. Just go and come back. I'll be waiting for you. But before you go, drop some money in case I need it.
Anyone at home? Who is in this house?
It's alright. Don't cry. Stop crying. Wipe away your tears. Just sit down and tell me everything. Tell me exactly what happened.
I was cleaning the house.
Yes.
I brought out his box from the wardrobe.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Stop crying. Tell me what happened.
I brought out his box from the wardrobe and found out that he got married to a woman called Anna in court.
What? No. No.
When I confronted him, he told me that he's an African man, that he is entitled to as many wives as he wishes.
Tufiakwa, I am not part of this. Huh? I am not aware of this. Hey! I couldn't have supported him. I couldn't have supported this in any way. What is going on?
Mama came with Ego,
and
they supported him. Papa, the fact that he got married to another woman in court is not my problem. The one that is paining me most, the one that is eating me up, is the fact that he submitted a fake death certificate of myself, Papa. Could you?
Hey! Hey! Unbelievable! This is evil! Yeah. I am not part of this. Tufia! I am going to tell my case man everything concerning this. Hey! I can't get it. Hey! Please, I am very sorry for what is happening. I am not part of it. And my son did not mention it to me.
Has she told you anything?
Well, she told me what is spiteful to the ear. I am in a shock. I do not believe it, and I cannot believe it. Tufia!
So, hey, what did she tell you?
My son has committed a grievous abomination against your daughter. A terrible, wicked act against your daughter. How? And where do I start from?
What is happening here? What is going on?
My in-law, can we go and sit down and discuss over this? Let us go to Ibe's house.
Yeah, let's go to my house. Let's go to my house.
Hey,
My in-laws, my son has brought shame upon me and upon my entire family. Please, I want to first apologize for what he did to your daughter.
You have not said anything. What did your son say our daughter did to him? That is what we want to hear.
My son has committed what God and human being forbid. I will bring him here to apologize and possibly pay for the pains he caused your daughter.
You still have not said anything.
He had a court wedding with another woman.
What? He did what?
Yes, I am not part of it.
Hey!
Please, I will have to bring him here. To apologize.
Abomination! Ha! Hey!
Ichie, come now.
How could your son ridicule our daughter like this for no good reason?
I am really short of words.
Hey! Ha!
Hey! Hey! Temure n'ihu.
Alụ n'enu alụ.
Belinda.
Papa, welcome.
Belinda. How could you keep silent over such atrocity? Why did you not tell me what he did in his presence? Let me spit under his face.
My tongue was too heavy to say it.
But did you come back with the document to find his box?
Yes, Papa.
Good. Come bring it. It shall never be well with that idiot. So he forged your death certificate to make sure he married the woman.
Papa, my silence is not a sign of weakness. I know what to do when the time is right.
Belinda, the time is now. Someone who does what any other one has not done before should be ready to see what any other one has not seen before. We are going to see Father Francis immediately.
Papa, please, I have this under control. Please.
And as your father, I want to have it under my control too.
Fine. Let me change.
To tell you how wicked he is. This is the death certificate he forged.
You mean Ike did this?
Yes.
Oh my God. This is appalling.
I am taking this matter to the court. He cannot disgrace my daughter like this and go free.
Have you reported this matter to his parents?
His father was at my place and my daughter has told him the same thing.
So what exactly did he say?
He said he was not aware that he's sorry.
What has come over this generation? How could Ike bring an innocent girl to this kind of ridicule?
Nothing will stop me from taking this matter to the court. Ike has bought a product that is one in town, and he will see a problem that is one in town.
Father, I have decided to write to the Papa for separation, and I want it as soon as possible.
Oh, my daughter, you have to give the parish council some time to at least look into this matter, please.
I stand with Belinda on that one. She must write to the Catholic Church for separation.
Ide, I want us to go to their house tomorrow and return the bride price he paid on her head.
Even if you want us to go now, I will follow you. We need to tell them that no one from our family can be used for such madness.
I thought that young man was a human being. I never knew he's such an animal. A wolf in sheep's clothing.
The ground on which he stands will make life miserable for him.
He said.
I don't know.
How could you have kept quiet? How could you have kept quiet when he was here ranting? You should have called some of those boys to beat him up, rub him on the ground, and then feed him with sand.
The ground itself will rub him mud or dust.
Men are wicked. No, he is wicked. Ike is very wicked, and that wickedness will come upon him someday.
I have decided to write to the church for separation.
That will not be enough. We have to devise a means to make him suffer, to make him pay for what he did to you.
Choma, vengeance is of the Lord.
See, vengeance is of the Lord.
Hey, come on. Come on, we are going now.
You're back?
Yes, we are leaving now. I'm taking you to your house now. Come on, let's go. Get up.
Ogachalo, this is the bill, 6,000.
What? For what? For what? No. It's okay. Let's go. Waiter! Waiter, come and collect your money. Waiter! Waiter!
Leave me. I'm not drunk.
Come and collect your money, waiter!
Husband, I am bent for I gave you my time. I gave you everything. I gave you my money. You are my world. I love you.
You don't want to take me to your house.
Maybe I told you my house is filled up. My house is filled up.
Your house is filled up with what? Stop talking rubbish.
Baby, I'm not talking rubbish. For real, I'm not talking rubbish.
See, if you cannot take me to your house, this thing will not work. It will not work.
You understand what I'm trying to tell you now?
Understand what? In fact, I can see you don't want to follow me to America. You don't want to go, Abby.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go.
Where?
To my house.
To your house?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Let's go.
You don't want to take me to your house.
Come on, it's okay.
You'll be making love to me. You don't want to take me to your house.
I'm sorry, let's go,
This should be the bitch that is tearing them apart. I didn't see this. God, I did not see
No. Council Zako. Zam. Zurum. Zurum. Zararam. Zram. Zram.
me. You know, we're walking at that.
I'm on your soy.
I'll be run again.
Mama the mama.
Now, how are you?
I'm good.
Brother, welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Oh.
Mama?
Like you came back.
Yes. This is the pretty damsel I was talking to you about. Yes, Mama. This is the good news I was talking to you about.
Good news? No. No, what's her name?
Oh, her name is Anne. She's the lady I told you that would take me to America with her.
Oh, the American girl. You're welcome.
Babe, I think it's so hot out here. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bull mama. Oh, come on, let's go inside.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really hot out here.
American white witch. This is worse than an American white witch. What was that? No respect. She cannot even greet.
She doesn't know that there's no light inside.
But this is the woman that will take us to America.
So because she's going to take him to America, that's why she cannot respect.
She's just shy.
Shy, Mama.
Yes, now. She was shy. But say it. She was shy. Say it. Can I guess you one?
She was shy.
She was shy. Get this out.
Very soon.
With this shyness, I will show you something. You see? You see, Neto? Oh, made it too much. You see, Neto was what?
Yeah,
oh, yeah, wait. Mama. Child, maybe it's not well. Maybe it's not. What will keep your balance now?
are welcome. Please sit.
Are these all the properties you have?
No, I have a wardrobe and a bed inside the bedroom.
I want to feel well. You have nothing. Absolutely nothing. I want to fit in this house. Yes.
Babe, see, when we come back from the States, I will buy plenty properties, beautiful ones. You will love them. Okay?
In our shit. In our shit. Anyways, we need to go home and get my baby. Yes, Brian.
Why don't you come in and freshen up? You know you're hot.
Freshen up? Where?
Inside the bedroom.
Do you have a bedroom here?
Yes, of course.
Okay. There is nothing in this house. There is nothing in this house.
Hello.
I had somebody throwing up. What's the problem?
Okay, she has a malaria parasite.
Hey, Brody boy,
Meaning?
Mama, she is drunk. Brother, I heard everything you were telling her inside.
Hey, see. Please, listen. And listen very good. Let us all condone her that way until I get what I want from her. You see, this America. I must go.
Yes.
I must go to America. Oh.
Yes, you
we need to when I'm stuck on this thing.
My son must see America, and America must see my son. Yes. So what? But now, when are you going?
Mama, please. I do not have time for this question.
No, I just want to know, so I'll know what to prepare for you to take along.
Mama, soon.
Mama, leave him. Should I go and get your food?
I am not hungry. Thank you.
Nna.
Huh?
Do you have an international passport?
Mama, I don't think brother is taking the right decision now.
Let us wait and see. Let us wait and see.
Mother girl about PIH. Now, please go take Belima.
Your brother said Belima.
Dikeh, I want to see you here first thing tomorrow morning. Failure to do so, then be prepared to bury me when you come later.
This is unlike Papa. If I fail to go, I will bury him when I go back.
Mama Emeka, I hope you're still taking care of that, my goat. Because no, it's for next Christmas. Okay, I'll call you back. Nna.
No, good morning.
Oh, your morning. I hope you slept well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you rushing to the shop?
I'm going to the village.
Village?
Mm.
What for?
Papa called is like he's not feeling fine.
I hope that's not a plan to get me to come to the village because I'm not going anywhere. He wants me to come and take care of him. Listen, I am not leaving this town until you leave for America. I have to be sure that your body, everything about you is looking good so they don't turn you back like they've been turning other people back.
It's okay. Let me go and see him first.
But listen, tell him I'm sick, eh?
My name is Nancy.
But you have to defend your mother.
Try.
Safe journey, eh? Well, you know why you're... Mama, I will call you back.
Mama.
Morning.
Is she still sleeping?
You're asking me if she's sleeping when you can hear her snoring. Eh?
My, nke bezuku na dagi bezubote fibo.
Fibo amaka.
Mama. I know that brother wants to marry that stupid girl. She can't just be lazy in this household. See, Mama. Permit me to go and wake her up so that she will go and prepare breakfast for us.
Mama. Since when did you start asking me for permission to do this?
No, Mama, I support that's why I'm taking your permission.
I am solidly behind you. Wake her up. Wake her up. By force. Hello, Mama Emeka. I'm a nigga not standing by. Well, you know how life is in the city. Distraction here and there.
Hey, wake up, wake up. Wake up! Wake up from there! Look at the way she's snoring. Disturbing everywhere. Please. My mother wants you to go and prepare breakfast for her. So get up from there. Yeah? Am I not talking to a human being? Get up! Get the fuck out of my sight, you nitwit! I should get the fuck. You better get up from there. My mother will be very angry with you. Get up! To hell with your mother! I should go to hell with my mother. Oh, you are wrong. I'm going to tell my mother. You will see hell today. Mama!
Hey, oh my son.
To hell with my mother.
Hey!
Mama!
Oh, give me. What is it?
Mama. Mama, do you know what that stupid girl told me?
What did she say?
Mama, if I tell you what this girl said.
What did she say?
If I tell you what this girl said.
Say what she said now. I'll ask me if I tell you.
In fact, Mama will kill her. Mama, she said...
She said what?
Mama, she said to hell with your mother. Meaning, to hell with Ngiwa. Bunu nemono.
She said, to hell with your mother.
Namo. Ngiwa.
Hey! Quick! This is laughing in Swahili.
Okay.
And you know when I laugh in Swahili, you know what that means?
No.
Remember that girl didn't go to school. We need to teach her a lesson.
Biology. It's about the biology, Mama.
Physics and chemistry.
Bam! Nemo. I trust you. You wait. So nazu.
You old woman! That is how. Did you just insult me? Eh? Did you just insult me? Now go out there and prepare my breakfast. Fast!
Mama, Oni came back there.
And don't go again. I will record the Dikeh. You find out all of the gods are angry.
Yeah, but more cake here umbrella.
I'm got to see now.
Come back! Stupid people! Diala! Diala! Watch.
Come back, let's go take it. Hey! On a bien.
That girl is mad though.
Real gone. Real gone. You're not gonna feel.
Hey, wait. Jesus.
How could you always be my girl in here?
Hey, what?
That does it.
You're going to need you.
Eh?
Let's go bring our bags.
Our bags? Eh? We'll go now. You're the younger one. Go and bring the bags. I'll wait for you here.
Only me?
It's okay. It's okay. Just be going. Let me.
Mama, she's coming!
Good morning. Are you alright? You sounded very worried on the phone.
When they say that this generation is clueless, I doubted it until my own son proved me wrong.
But I don't understand.
Why do you have to bring this calamity into this household?
What? What are you talking about?
Don't just stand there and act ignorant of what I'm saying. Eh? Why didn't you tell me that you sent Belinda packing for nothing? Huh?
Papa, did you invite me here to talk about an unfaithful woman?
You are the one who is disgustingly unfaithful. Huh? You think that I do not know that you wedded another woman in the court?
Papa, what is wrong there for me marrying legally a woman who had a son for me?
And you had the heart to lie to the court by presenting a fake death certificate of your wife.
Papa, that is not true.
That is sheer wicked.
That is not true, Papa.
What is not true? Eh? Eh? I saw everything. The wedding certificate and the fake death certificate. How did this spirit of wickedness possess you? Whose son are you? Nonsense. Nonsense. What is wrong with the children of this day?
Is that not Dikeh?
That is his car.
What is after him?
He can run into the evil forest for all I care.
No one concerned. Let's go. Let's be going.
My in-law, let me get... Keep your seat.
We can fix this.
There's nothing we can fix. Some broken objects are not meant to be fixed. That is the money your son paid on our daughter's head as bride price. We have returned it with her consent. Let's go.
And as your son said, nothing shall bind the two of them together anymore.
Anymore, the way it is. Let's go.
Hey. I did not imagine this for my family. Hey.
Where is she? Where is she? Linda, come out here! Where are you? Come out here!
And who is making noise in my father's compound?
Where are my documents?
What documents are you talking about?
Where are the court marriage certificates?
And my death certificate, I suppose.
Belinda.
I will not give it to you.
I do not want your trouble. Now. Go and bring it now. Go and bring it now. Do not get me angry.
I said I will not give them to you. Are you deaf?
Then I will kill you here. Now! What are you doing? Go. Stop it! Stop! What?
Touch my sister again! Touch her again! You wicked man! No, touch her again!
Is he dead? No, stop it! Stop it! I don't like this! Stop it! Stop it!
Sister, leave me alone now! Oh! How dare you step your foot in my father's compound! You want to save him? This animal doesn't deserve to live. This animal! Out! Sister, stay there! Stay there! Next time, if this guy try this. Sister Lapum. Why would this guy let?
How do I know?
He has not started running. He will still run into the lion's mouth. Okay, let's go.
Trouble the easy to look for. Trouble the easy to find.
What happened? Eh? What? Who did this? Hey, Baba. What? Hey. So. Hey, what really happened? Baba. Who did this?
No! You don't have to do a thing like that out of anger. You could have killed him and the whole case would have turned against us.
Oh, forget that. Forget that. Sometimes you have to show a stupid man that there is an atom of madness inside of you.
And I don't want us to handle this matter like mad people. So that at the end of the day, the whole world will not turn against us.
Can you imagine? Ojeko, can you imagine?
Sorry. What did you say? He used to. Eh? What exactly happened?
Hey! Hey! Dikeh!
What is that? That's good news. That him. That you brought into the house. Hi, Inna. Chai, is your man no?
Yes.
What happened to your head?
Papa, that mad woman, she chased us out with a gun.
I'm telling you.
She almost shot Mama dead.
Hi!
So, you people were in his house while all this evil happened, eh? Right under your nose.
Under my nose? Oh, say no again.
You mean to tell me that you don't know that he sent his wife packing right under your nose? You don't know?
Okay.
Papa, do you know what she did?
Oh.
Shut up. Will you close that to your mouth before I close it for you? Huh? You people have committed what God and the land forbid.
Just
look at him.
Okay, you see that good news? She's not good though.
Bad news, Mama.
She's bad news. Do you know? She brought out a gun and pointed it at my face. She wanted to shoot me. Dead, right? Then she held us captive for
3 good hours.
3 good hours. I managed, with my expertise in Girls' Guide of those days, I managed to escape through the parlor window. And then my daughter escaped through the
toilet window.
I thought you flushed yourself.
Mama, I almost did though.
Okay, she escaped through the toilet window.
Ego, I don't care where you escaped from. Just go in there and get me back. Huh?
Which balm?
Bring back, let me rub it.
Papa, which one is I should go and get balm? We are just coming back now.
Let me rub it.
I don't like this kind of thing.
Thank God he didn't send me. Yeah? Dikeh, who broke your head partially for you? Eh? This is partial breaking. Hi.
Just imagine what.
Imagine it. I'm imagining
Look at
it. Is it deep?
Huh? Are you asking me? Don't you see blood?
No, you should have taken him to the hospital before we came back. Okay, you didn't know we were coming. Is it he? Oh, shimmy. Hey. Hello.
Hello? Hello, Ike. Can you hear me? Good. I want to see our marriage certificate today. Please, don't even give me that. Don't give me that rubbish. Listen, I have searched everywhere in this house, but I couldn't find it. Yes! I want to see it today. I don't care. I am seeing that certificate today and that is final. Rubbish.
I hope I've not put myself in a big mess. I just hope so. Just hope so. Hey. Hey! Hey!
Everything changed when I refused giving him money and demanded to know what he has been doing with all the money I've been giving to him.
Sister, let me understand something. He borrowed all your savings and now realized that you are dead and wants to marry another wife.
As I'm talking to you now, I don't have up to 5,000 naira in my bank account.
Sister, that man will pay all the money he collected from you, and I mean it.
Please. I don't want us to make trouble. I don't want what happened today to repeat itself. You almost killed him.
I don't care. I said I must collect all the money he took from you, and that's final.
How is school?
Sister, school is fine. I'm on the chapter 2 of my project.
It's well.
Alright, let me get inside and get my food.
I want you to tell me the truth. Say it loud so that the spirit guiding this house will hear you. What did their wife do to you?
But I've told you, I don't want to talk about it.
You can't tell me that you don't want to talk about it, because that gets me upset. What did your wife do to you?
I have no answer to that.
Then let me tell you, I have washed my hands off this case. Anything that will come out of it, I have washed my hands off. Kanampado yakin.
Nobody knows the mind of Kanyamaru Jeju.
On our matrimonial bed?
We should have done it in a matrimonial kitchen. Please excuse me.
Now! Get up and leave! And should I go?
Don't mind this idiot. Come on, give me some sugar.
Wake up, wake up. Someone wake me up.
Hey! You're disturbing us, okay? Don't hurt my baby. Excuse us.
What do you mean, baby?
Excuse us.
Hey, shut the door, please. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door.
Yes, Belinda. B, I think I'm losing my mind. You know, just when I thought that all men... I want to be calm. I just cannot. Okay, yes. Just when I thought that all men are not evil and can't surprise me. I can't say it, B. I can't. I just cannot.
You. Keep my food. I mean my lunch. I'm coming right back.
Ken, it is either you are mad or you're trying to be mad. Are you under a spell?
I said keep my food, my lunch. I'm hungry. No, sorry about that. Sorry. Yes.
It's a joke, right? No, it's not. It's happening, like, life. It is. Lord.
Are you still sitting here? Get up and put my food and stop lazing around.
Ken, this is no joke. But I'll kill myself before you come back if you don't tell me what is going on.
You can kill yourself 3 times over. I don't care. So you go in there and prepare my lunch.
What did I ever do to you? I mean, how do I deserve this harsh treatment you're giving to me?
What is it you don't understand? I am hungry. Go and prepare my food.
Your wickedness is from the pit of hell. And someday you will pay for it. Honey,
Can we leave this parking lot and go?
I'm sorry, I don't want you to see this, okay? I'm sorry. Let's go. Look, by the time I come back and my food is not ready, you will see the other side of me.
Go, Ken. Go. I do not care where you go to. Go straight to hell for all I care. Go all the way to hell!
It's not competition. Mama chakuna magia, imaru chachubua. Nangadi miru kama, imaru chachubua. Mama chakuna magia, imaru chachubua. Nangadi miru kama, imaru chachubua. Mama chakuna magia, imaru chachubua. Nangadi miru kama, imaru chachubua.
Should I just walk away? Should I just end this? All these questions in my head. How am I supposed to answer them? I cannot leave my home. I cannot leave my matrimonial home for anybody. Again. How do I go back to all the drama? No. I will not leave my home for anybody. I will go back there. I will fight this through. But I'll go back. Go back to your home.
Gary, how can you bring Gary for me when you brought apple for my son? You can carry this thing away from here. I want to eat a good meal in my son's house. Please take this thing out of here. Gary, what's the meaning of that? That I'm a lesser human being or what? If you don't have anything better, carry it away.
You know what? Then go on and prepare porridge for her.
Come on.
There is no yam in this house. The apple is finished too.
There's money in the drawer. Take it, rush to the market and go buy yam.
You fried something dry.
Come this, good in the
skin.